Then we go to do the headspace calibration. The headspace calibration means the print head position between each print head. Because we print a white color varnish by one pass print, we must be sure the white layer, color layer, and the varnish layer print at the same position. No any overlap for any position. So we go to headspace. The first we go to choose the horizontal, check horizontal, left, right, vertical calibration. And because by this way we print the adjustment, it's hard to see the lines because the white ink lines weighs more. So the best way we can print a picture. And always the H1 print head is 0. You cannot change. Keep all print 0, H1 print head as 0. We change print head position by H2 and H3. H1 is color, H2 is white, H3 is varnish. Like this. So we forget it first. Then first we go to print, we setting, and we choose the speed, middle, and we choose the first we adjust to left. If we have good calibration for to left and to right, then we can have good calibration for that direction. So we go to choose left, and we find out the picture, the file that go with machine delivery USB flash. They have the file named color offset calibration file. The color calibration offset calibration file. This picture with white, color, and varnish together with one picture. Then we print this picture, the square, to check if the white layer, color layer, and varnish layer have overlap or not. So we just go to first, please remember, we choose by middle and to left and click save. Then we go to print, choose the file, set the margin. And then we go to print. And also must be sure the layer we choose by normal here. Then the printer starts to print a square picture out. First print the white layer, then print the color layer, then print the varnish. So you can see the white layer is print out. Then the black layer on top of the white. We can open the vacuum to make the film cut absorption without scratch the print head. So after print, you can see also the varnish print out. So we can see the white layer is overlapped to left a little bit. The white layer is moved to left. The bottom is the white layer. A little bit moved to left. And to right is to right. The varnish also move a little bit to left. So we can adjust the calibration, but front and back is almost okay. Forward, the back, the white layer, color layer, similar to the same position. So we just adjustment the overlap to left. Then we go to the software. Adjustment, headspace. Here, H2, we can increase because we print back to left. So we just set the horizontal left, and we can increase by 2 pixels. And also the varnish decrease by 2 pixels. Then we go to save. And when you go print, start again. So this is test printing file for the printing head space print. So before we do the calibration, we can see the white ink is out of the overlap of the color ink. After we alignment, we can see the white color varnish to left to right, all are good. White color varnish. The bottom is white ink layer. It's not overlap at bottom, top, left, and back. So this is the good alignment. So in one word, we just go to the software for alignment. Remember, if we have overlap for white layer or varnish, we just go to the adjust and headspace. We go to choose. First, we print the test printing file, color offset calibration file, and set to right or to left. If we print to right, then we change the number by horizontal to right. If we print here by to left, then we change the number by horizontal to left. And we change this number for little calibration. And the vertical, we just need to calibrate one time. Just increase, reduce the number here. This 2 is for white ink print head, and this H3 is for varnish. H1 we keep 0, no change. Please remember, all H1 is 0 as a standard position. So we do the same procedure by print the same picture by to right and set to right, save, and then we print. And then after print, we check the overlap. If we have overlap, we just change the number by to right here, the number for here and number here to increase or reduce the number, the parameter. After that, we save it. So this is the procedure by headspace alignment for to left, to right, and vertical. Vertical is for bottom if we have overlap to bottom or to top. So we just do the vertical adjustment by changing the number by H2 and H3, increase or reduce. And this is a procedure to do the headspace alignment to prevent the print head, the white ink layer or varnish layer overlap.